What's up guys, thank you for watching another video. I don't really want to show my face because I got a badass pimple in my nose and it's so freaking ugly. But we're here at 412. I brought the E36 out, finally. I haven't drove this thing in literally probably a month, maybe even more. I miss this thing so much though. I love this car, bro. I don't think I'll ever sell it. But anyways, we're here at 412 because I gotta drop some stuff off to Sam. We actually picked up another block.
Not for you.
Do you like it? I had to go pick this up for Sam in Riverside. So now we got 3 engine blocks. I don't know which was mine, but one of them was mine. Oh my God. It's no longer stock? It's way too loud now.
6 warnings.
When I drove it, I guess it was stock, but now they put the tune back on. And I thought it was fast before, bro.
Dude, let me see the rest of your phone.
No. Guys, he wants to race Alex in the GTR. The gray one. I don't know, it'll be a good race. All right guys, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 blocks, 5 engines that Sam's gonna put together. I think one's for that car. That one's for his drift yellow E30. I think this one's mine. A lot of work for Sam to do, but I'm here to help. I think this is mine. If you guys remember yesterday, I showed these on the vlog. Both of these went to the machine shop and got bored out. Literally looks brand new. Damn. Now time to paint it. I think we're gonna paint the block red. Look who showed up. And he has bags now. Alex, why'd you put bags, bro?
I had to, bro.
It looks so much better though. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of people are probably gonna hate on it, but this is exactly what I would do if I had a GTR. I'd probably do TEs and I'd probably bag it. Remember earlier in the vlog I was just talking about him racing Joseph? Well, they might do a little bit of a race. Except Alex is on 91.
That's my
Bro, I thought you were on 85. Oh my God, bro.
It's tough, huh?
It's super low. I'm not even like, it looks sick. Anyways, I told Joseph, whoever wins, that F80 or GTR, that's my next car.
Really?
So you need to win, Alex. That shit looks so badass. It's so low. Damn, guys, look at this thing. It's done. It's all painted now. This shit looks brand new. So we painted it red. The reason why is because
the oil leak.
Oil leaks, right?
So
it's easier to find.
Oil, we can see where it's leaking from.
That's why Sam painted his like a Tiffany blue, just so you can see like the oil, just in case there's any oil leaks or something once it's done. I chose red because obviously red's my favorite color. So they're all bored out. So we can put bigger pistons. Do I know what I'm talking about? I feel like I don't know what I'm talking about. Bigger pistons, more power. This thing's gonna be sick. I don't even think I've ever mentioned what engine we're doing for this car. It's the S52. S52, same engine as Sam's car. You guys have seen that one running a lot in my vlogs.
Not the same, similar.
It's gonna be faster than Sam. Just kidding, I wish. same setup. S52 single turbo.
You're a better driver than Sam.
And hopefully be making like 600 or what?
Bro, stop saying 600.
What? How much horsepower you want?
600. What makes 600 anymore?
Easy? Oh.
600 is too slow.
Okay, too slow.
Less than 800.
Less than 800? Okay. I guess we're shooting 800, guys. A lot of people told me they liked you vlogging in my last video. When I drove your car,
Oh, thanks.
they said... Here's the E46. You guys haven't seen this car in so long. I haven't either. It's been neglected for like 2 weeks. Hopefully, like, within the next couple weeks, the engine will be complete and we can drop it in and then you'll see some real progress. I'm still working on getting a wheel sponsor. We should be getting the interior and the seats all soon. Mario and Masterminds are gonna wrap the entire car for me. We already got the reaction suspension ready to get dropped in. Soon, guys, soon. It's super loud, bro. Guys, I don't know who you guys think is gonna win. Comment down below right now. GTR or the F80 M3. I think they're both full bolt-on and they're both on 91 pump gas right now. I thought he was gonna come with E85. Now I'm kind of scared. Oh my god, you drove both?
Huh?
You drove both cars?
It's faster.
How do you know?
Because I drove it.
You're lying.
I swear.
Alright guys, we're out. They're really about to race right now. I'm kind of scared. I'm very curious too. I have no idea who is gonna win, but I am going for the GTR, Joseph. I'm so sorry. I don't know how I'm gonna keep up though in this E36. Alright guys, here they go. Let's see who wins. Oh my god! I think they're like literally tied. Joseph's car is really beating it. What? He's so happy. That was a good race. That's crazy. Bro, tell me that wasn't the sickest shot I've ever filmed. It looks so sick with the downtown LA in the background. Well, there you guys have it. I think Alex won a couple. I think Joseph won more, but they're both fast.
I won like 200.
You did? I saw you. I couldn't. 65 for the vlog, you know.
I think they're the same. Whoever have the perfect like initiation, usually wins.
Sometimes he took it, sometimes I took it.
I was going almost like 200 miles an hour.
Bro, yeah, we hit.
Yeah, like when we were
I'll stop the vlog. Making progress, guys. Sam came and already put the bolts in. The bottom bearing, I think he said. And then the crank. Are we almost done? Can we start it?
Yeah.
Guys, look what we're in. This is crazy. The white car you guys saw in last video. It's scary. Bro, look at the turbo. Guys, look at this. All the pistons are in. That shit's so sick. A crank hub.
Crank hard. You're so smart.
See, I'm smart. You know, I know that because bikes are very similar.
The what?
A bike is kind of similar, huh? I'm serious, a bike, that's called a hub.
It's true, you're right. You're not that stupid.
Guys, this car was in David Dobrik's vlog the other day. I don't know if any of you guys saw it, but David Dobrik was filming this thing. Can I do one, Sam?
No.
How heavy?
Pretty heavy. Like what?
It's actually heavy. برو زوزو طلع من بتحط ايدك برو.
هون حطيت ايدي.
ما انك تختل الجاسكت.
Okay.
هدي هيك.
Okay, I'm sorry. But I didn't touch the gasket.
Bro, you lift it up with your big ass hand.
Okay, my bad. I'm really sorry. I apologize. Anjad. No, Anjad, I'm sorry.
Okay. مش هقول لك شيء.
Stop laughing.
Anjay. Oh, my hands are so slippery and sweaty.
Come on, come here.
Look at that, guys. It's starting to look like an engine.
Don't blow anything, you know that. You or not, there's fault.
Sam, I'm not blowing it.
I just blow my engine.
Sam wants me to blow in his hole to see if there's any leaks, but I don't trust him. I feel like he's messing with me. Bro, I'm not doing it. And that's where we're gonna finish off for today. We are done. Yeah, add a couple more things, and it's pretty much done. But we're done for today. We're out.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.